Hello, Tony Khan here, and today I wanted to give you a workspace tour. Workplace. I work from my house, and usually you see the double monitor that I use behind me, so I wanted to go ahead and give you a tour of the space that I use, so let's get into it. So this is the workspace that I usually use. This is my husband's desktop. He lets me use it. He's very kind. It has dual monitors, which is awesome. I love it because I'm able to have reference materials over here on the secondary monitor, and then whatever I'm working on is on the main monitor. And we also use this as a TV. We don't have a TV that works, so this is what we use. And my desk is over here. As you can see, it's more of a dumping ground than me actually using it. My husband got mad that my stuff was everywhere, so I got a desk so that my stuff is at my desk. And the printer goes there too. If I really want to stand and work, then I'll grab my laptop, which I usually keep over here, and I use it to work out, and that's pretty much it, unless I go traveling with it. And if I do want to stand and work, I'll take this printer off the little stand thing and just stand here. And that's pretty much it. So that's the quick and dirty tour of my workspace. It's not really much. I mean, we have a room that we call our entertainment room that we both work in, so whatever projects we're working on, we do it in here. And my laptop is just for a change of pace, or if I'm doing work somewhere else, like in a coffee shop when I feel like getting out of the house, or if I'm somewhere like I need to take my car in for an oil change, then I'll usually take my laptop with me so that I can write and do some work there. Because if I'm there for an hour, I might as well work. I mean, what else am I gonna do? So that's the quick and dirty workspace tour. Show me yours. Leave a link in the comments for a YouTube video or an Instagram post or something about your workspace. I can't wait to see them, and I'll see you in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.